dragging out of the lair today. It's been a while since I've driven the Trans Am, but man, I dig this car. It's an exact numbers up car of the one I had in high school. In other words, all the same options, same color, same everything. And I wouldn't say that I was a super badass in high school. I guess the way I would say it is I didn't waste my cool in high school. So I had a badass car though. But that came from buying and selling. I started high school when I got my first driver's license, had a 15-year-old hardship license with a $400 Chevrolet Impala, and just bought and sold until my senior year. I was graduating with a 9-year-old Trans Am T-top 4-speed hog leg right here in my hand. Doesn't get any better. So today we're going to El Tacaso. It's over here off of Northwest Highway, about 3 miles from the shop. And we're gonna check out some street tacos. You've seen me do it before. You know, Tex-mex here in Dallas is pretty hard to beat. So they usually get pretty good ratings, but we'll find out. Because this little area that we're going to here can be a little sketchy sometimes. I mean, a lot sketchy, especially at night. So here we are, El Tacaso, and it's got some ratings. I mean, I saw it on the old interweb, so we're fixing to figure it out, I guess.
I'm just saying. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, I think I know you from somewhere.
Somewhere? Yeah.
TV.
I've been on the TV, man.
On TV.
Yeah.
Well, I'm here.
All right.
I'm just fucking here on the street. I'm here on the street.
Okay.
Oh, you are the...
I went to order.
You are the son of a bitch, monkey boost, monkey,
Hey.
something, some kind of monkey.
Some kind of monkey.
Some kind of a monkey. Some kind of a monkey. God damn it.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Very interesting today around here. Let me have a pollo, a pastor, and a picadillo. And let's try
chicharrón es bueno. Hey, I recommend chicharrón.
Pollo quesadilla.
No, chicharrón.
And
chicharrón es bueno.
you have bottled water?
No, chicharrón es bueno.
Oh, just inside there. Okay, I'll get something to drink over there. Corn. Everything, cilantro, onions, the whole bottle of works.
Hey, señor. Chicharrón, I recommend.
So there you go. I got ordered up even with the chaos that is being on a street corner. And now we're gonna go get something to drink right here at this little market, I think. And then we'll see what our food tastes like. Should be interesting. Well, we can't have any beer because we are driving today, the old Red Dragon, so we'll just get us a nice deal of water. So, we probably won't show you the whole thing, but you'll get to see bits and pieces. Little bit of a train wreck here on the corner, and he's on his way now. So hopefully we can try some of these tacos. This place, I was just told, has been here 24 years. They were just a couple of 100 yards around the corner, and they moved here, and they're open 24/7. Pretty rad. I mean, Gas Monkey's only been around 19 years. This place is older than I am. Lots of hot sauce if you got it, please. Excellent, ladies. Thank you. El Tacaso. I do not know my shorthand Spanish at all. I got to work on that. So we ordered some chicken, which would be pollo. We ordered some ground beef, and we also ordered some fajita. They were out of chicken, so it looks like I got a quesadilla here. Check that out. All right, so check it out. I got a quesadilla. I got some ground hamburger meat. I forget what they call that. I gotta brush up on this stuff. All I know is what tastes good. Now, you can't really screw up street tacos. I mean, it's basically meat, cilantro, onions. Sometimes they throw some cheese on there, a little tortilla, whether you're picking corn or flour, and a couple of hot sauces. One's usually hotter than the other, and they usually never tell you. And then, as I think an inside joke for all these little taco stands, one of them would be like, oh, the green is the mild and the red is the hot. And then the next taco stand switches up. They go, no, my red is hot and the mild. You know, it'll fuck your world, man. All right, so we got some ground meat in here and some cheese. And a fresh tortilla. So far, so good. Oh, I can handle that. That is a little spicy, though. Now, when you say quesadilla here, this is going to be your basic quesadilla. I mean, this is meat and cheese and a tortilla, which is fine, you know, but some of the places around start putting all kinds of weirdness on your quesadilla. And a quesadilla really, if I'm not missing my history lesson, came around as just an easy way to pack a little cheese, a little protein being the meat, and some bread being the tortilla, and send it off to work so they'd have something to eat later on in the day. It was Tex-mex that made it more of a fun thing or an appetizer. You know, this is the working man's meal right here. All during the day, go out and grab a piece of this, you're good to go. It's good, it's got a little green chilies in it. That's getting my attention. Woo. I do like this. I can't decide which one's hotter though. The green chilies in this quesadilla are bitchin'. It's pretty rad. Got off to a rocky start with the other guy. Yeah, quesadilla, totally on fire. Love it. All right, moving on here. I'm not so sure about this one. I'm gonna have to. Yeah. Now, I don't know what they're calling this, but I'm gonna skip it because it looks weird to me. I'm not saying it is weird. I guess I'll try a bite. Put a little onion and cilantro on there. Let's squeeze that lime. Tastes okay. I just don't know what it is. I think I substituted the chicken for fajita beef. Maybe that's what they're calling fajita beef here. Not bad. I need a napkin though. Ooh. It's heating up, that's for sure. Okay. I gotta eat my own words. The fajita beef one here, not bad at all. Or maybe that's the barbacoa. I don't know. Isn't it crazy? See how good food reviewer I am? I don't even know what the hell I'm putting in there. I don't know what it is. They gotta label them. Sometimes all this stuff looks so much like the other that you don't really even know. I think that one's the fajita beef. I think the other one's pork. And then this one's gonna be the ground beef. That's what it is. Woo, that is hot. And I still don't know which one's hotter, green or red. I'm telling you, it's an inside street taco joke to fuck with the gringos. It's what it is. Fajita beef, good. Next one is ground taco meat, like ground beef with a little bit of potato. Look at that. Luscious potato, what have you. Put some more of this cilantro and onion on there. Can't go wrong with this shit. I think I know why they've been here for 25 years or 24, whatever. It's good, it's quality, it's hot to the temperature, it's hot to the taste if you want to use the sauces. It's not got all fatty, weird meat in it or anything like that, or mystery meat. You know, this is a good place. I would have never stopped here. I've driven up and down this road my whole life. I've probably seen this place and never gave it a second thought. and to know that it's open 24 hours a day, that's pretty rad. Now, is it the best I've ever had? Absolutely not. So, been here for 24 years, you know, neighborhood staple. I can't say anything bad about this place. I'm gonna give it a solid 4.5, shifting into 5th gear. Unbelievable. It's a little hot today being out here, but other than that, we had a blast. Food's good. And I'm gonna get my old Red Dragon back home so I can have a cold beer. That's the thing that's missing. That's the fucking problem. I'm driving the car and I can't have a beer. Damn it. I gotta figure this out. On a public service note, when we got here, we had a gentleman that probably, you know, had some mental problems and was down on his luck. So don't kick a man when he's down. Make sure you take care of him. Get him a taco, get him a glass of water. You know, they're still humans. If you reach down and pick up a dog that's on the side of the street, imagine trying to help a human. It's a little bit better. Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to offer my thank yous.
What's your name?
Jelena.
Jelena, got it.
I'm married into the Tacaso legacy.
You married into it.
Yeah.
All right.
Our in-laws are actually started here. But just around the corner there was another spot, used to be called Friendlies. They were there for a year. It was just part of the lifestyle, part of the nightlife over there. There's a little club over there. Also kind of similar to the atmosphere. They were open
Discoteca.
Yeah.
Excellent.
They were over there for a long time, 24 hours, and they didn't renew our lease, but that's all right. We came over here. We were originally open till 10 p.m., but now, you know, the hope's to move our people right before COVID. All of our customers over here 24 hours a day.
Okay.
The struggle, but we always strive to serve the best. Our beef's always USDA choice or prime. That's why the fajita's so good.
It's very good.
They're cooking about 15 times a day, maybe.
All right.
And it's fresh all the time.
No, I saw the reviews on the old interwebs, and I was like, I've driven by here a ton of times, so I got to check it out.
Yeah, no, they definitely, we fresh. We cut the meat back there. It's all day long, all day thing.
That sounds like too much work.
It's too much work, but to offer quality, that's what you got to do.
You got to have quality, because I've had bad quality, and they get 1 gear, sometimes no gears. You guys are kicking into 5th gear, so
yeah, my
good
mother-in-law
job.
makes that salsa every day. We were some of the first taco people at a gas station. Very
Okay.
first in Dallas.
Well, that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to open a taco stand at Gas Monkey Garage.
Let us know. We'll come over there with you.
Hey, thank you very much. Good times.
Appreciate it.
Best of luck around here. I know it's a rough neighborhood, and it's good that
Yeah.
good people are taking care of things.
Yeah, thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Bye-bye.